Okay. And in compact logic controller, we are going to see these three series. One is compact logics 5370. It has various functionalities. The integrated motion on Ethernet IP up to 16 axis, linear and device level ring network topology for up to 48 nodes, integrated safety up to SIL3, it's a level of the safety, then PLE level of the safety, CAT4 versions, and one on machine version. Then compact logics 5380 is the integrated with the motion and Ethernet IP up to the 32 axis we can connect on this series. There is the two Ethernet ports for the dual IP or support for linear and device DLR topology for up to 80 nodes. Then enables high speed IO and motion control. It has enhanced security features. Then compact logics 5480, it's enables high speed IO and integrated motion on the Ethernet up to 150 access. Includes 3 gigabyte Ethernet IP ports supporting both linear or device level ring topologies up to 250 nodes. It provides logic-based real-time controller that runs in parallel to an instance of Windows 10 IoT Enterprise. In this machine, in this controller, there is a Windows 10 OS is there, and we can connect to the IoT Enterprise also, and it is enhanced security features. Then control logics controllers, there is a two series of the control logics controller we are going to see in the software. The control logics 5570, the integrated motion on Ethernet IP up to 100 access, integrated safety up to SIL3, PLE CAT4 version, and the conformal code and extreme environment version, redundancy and removal insertion under the power. Then control logics 5580, integrated motion on Ethernet IP up to 256 access, 1 gigabyte embedded Ethernet port, enables high speed IO and motion control for up to 300 nodes. Then conformal code version, removal insertion under power, enhanced security features also is there. Here the integrated motion safety and drive control. We can integrate multiple devices with the controller, like motion and safety controller. This is motion and safety controller to control the servo motors and take the access from the encoders. This is a static switch configuration and diagnostic. We can do it from the static switch. Then safety IOs like safeguard, door safeguard, like that. In standard Ethernet via Ethernet IP protocol, some push button. Then controller owns everything. We can access all the devices from the controller.